Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about the 2026 Ram 1500 lineup. I'm at one of my local dealers here in Metro Detroit, Gawling. They're one of the biggest Chrysler dealers in the country and lots of traffic out in front of here, but this is the 2026 Ram 1500 RHO in Sereno Green. Now, I am a huge fan of dark greens. My first Dodge Durango was in forest green metallic, and this reminds me a lot of it. Truck looks absolutely killer, and I would have to say that this is probably the best looking Ram on the market in my opinion. Of course, RHO has twin turbo 3-liter Hurricane inline 6 high output power, 521 horsepower, or sorry, 540 horsepower, 521 pound-feet of torque. Thinking with all the traffic going by. 14 inches of suspension travel. And I've driven enough of these trucks where it actually is a lot more fun to me than the TRX, mainly because it's an everyday truck and you don't have to go to the pump every 10 minutes to fill the thing up. Yeah, TRX is fun, but I would say that this is even more fun as a daily driver. Tons of balls, but look at that. Super sharp looking color, man. I'm really impressed. And then if we walk down here, one thing that I was really surprised at was how many Hurricane trucks they have here on the lot. Usually you see a lot of Pentastar trucks like this one here. This one's got the Pentastar. It's easy to tell because it says e-torque, but there's no Hemi badge on it. But here's a Hemi truck here, right? Well, look at Hurricane. We have a Hemi truck here. Another Hemi truck. Hurricane. Usually Pentastar is the most popular option, but this is another color for 2026 that is super popular right now. This color actually is a no charge color. This is Canyon Lake. So it kind of reminds me a lot of Destroyer Gray, but it's kind of a green hue, and it absolutely looks killer on the Ram 1500. I actually wish that this color would come out on the Dodge Charger Daytona. I would love it. But you can see just how sharp and how reflective, even though this is like a matte finish, just how sharp that looks. But look, Pentastar truck. Now watch this. This is where it gets funny. Hurricane. Another Hurricane. Another Hurricane, and then we got a Hemi and another Hurricane truck. Now there are trucks around here, like that red one right there is a Hemi, so is that black one, and of course the gray one there is a Hurricane high output. So yeah, there's kind of a mix. I figured there would be more Pentastar trucks, but it looks like this dealer likes their Hurricane engines and Hemis. So Tim Kuniskis said that last year, you know, despite having 50,000 orders, they only fulfilled 30,000 Hemi trucks. So it's not like they're hugely abundant, but you can just walk over here and take a look. Here's another Hemi truck, another Hurricane powered truck here. Again, if you look down the lot here, this one's a Hemi here, which is super sharp because it's granite crystal. This is my favorite color. I had it on my 2019 Ram. You can't really tell because of how dirty the truck is, but if you look close enough, it's very metallic. And if you shine it up really good, it looks killer. So they do have a bighorn with a Hemi in there, just a standard bighorn, not the bighorn night edition. And the rest are all, there's one Pentastar truck in the middle there, and the rest are Hurricanes. So, very interesting. I figured there would be more Pentastars than Hurricanes, but I'm wrong. So, I want to know what you guys think of the two new green colors for 2026. I'm really happy that Ram is doing green colors in their lineup, and I really think Canyon Lake is a sharp color, but that Sereno Green is super stunning. So tell me what you think down in the comments below. What color do you like better? What color would you like to see on the Ram 1500 lineup? And again, I would love to see this color on the Charger Daytona. I think it would look killer. especially with that new Sub-Zero color being one of the options. So let me know in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.